And like I said in the last video where I made the arrow keys movement, we are going to make an animation today. We're going to start off with the left arrow key. When left arrow pressed, switch costume to CC left stop, and then go CC left run, and wait 0.1 seconds, and then put this one as CC left stop. There. Now we're gonna duplicate this for the same as the right arrow, and then change it to right arrow. CC right stop, CC left stop, CC right run, and CC left stop. There. That's good. So we're done for today, and that's it for this tutorial. Bye.